Number one, the Vernier calipers. This is a scale which measures the physical quantity called length. So the physical quantity that the Vernier caliper measures is length. So this has got two scales, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have another scale down here. So it starts from 0, the scale which is down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, then 5, which is 10. So the scale that is on top is called the many scale. The scale that is at the bottom is called the Vernier scale. So what physical quantity does the Vernier caliper measure? The physical quantity is called length. So this measures length. But how do you get the reading of the Vernier calipers? You need to have the reading of the many scale reading, you add with the Vernier scale reading. So now, how do you get this scale, the scale on top? If you have been given a number such as 4 here, centimeters, then they say this is 5 centimeters. For you to get the reading, you always get a mark that appears before the 0. So this is 0, and here is the mark. The mark that appears before the 0, this mark immediately 0. Mark immediately what? 0. Here's the mark immediately 0. So for you to find the reading of the many scale, you get the mark that appears before the many scale. All right, so what mark is that? We count 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. It is on 4.4. So the mark before the 0, it is the mark of the many scale. So it is 4.4 centimeters. All right. Then how do you get the Vernier scale? To find the Vernier scale, you look for a line that is coinciding or that is straight, touching both sides. A line that is straight, touching both sides, this is a number. When you find that number, you multiply it with 0.01 centimeters, the accuracy. So you're going to say the number that you're going to find, which is straight, you multiply it with 0.01, which is the accuracy. So we have got 0 here, 1, 2. We're looking for a line which is straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not 5, it's not 6, it's not 7, it's not 8, it's on 9. So once you have found 9, you say 9 times the accuracy. 9 times 0.01, it will give you 0.09. This is where you put it here. 0.09 centimeters is the Vernier scale. So this will be 94.4 centimeters. This is how you find the what? The reading. Now, what if you do not have any mark here? You have just been given 5 at this point. What do? You have just been given 5. You don't have anything here. You still maintain the rule which says that for you to get the many scale, you get the mark that appears before the 0 scale. Here is 0. This is a mark that appears before the 0, but we don't have any number this side, only this side. What do? We start reducing. If this is 5, this is 4.9. 4.9, 5. 5, 4.9, 4.8, 4.7, 4.6, 4.5, 4.4, 4.3, 4.2, 4.1, 4.0. But which mark are you interested in? The mark that appears before the 0. So if this is 4.5, this is 4.4, it is the one that you get here. Okay, you start reversing, you count backwards. So it's the same with this scale. So let's find the many scale from this. So we say the many scale reading is equals to, if this is 4, this is 3.9, 3.8, 3.7. The mark before the 0, that's where there is the many scale. So we say 3.7 centimeters. What about the Vernier scale reading? We say we look for a line that is straight. Is it 1? No. Is it 2? No. It's on 3. Yes. What do you do when you say you find your 3 times 0.01? So we say 3 that we have found times the accuracy 0.01, you get 0.03. You put 0.03 here. So the answer to be 373. So here is 3.73 centimeters. That's the reading. Okay, good. Question 2. What physical quantity